Hello, friends. It's Sarah Liz. I am back and I have some Spellbinders unboxing for you today. I also want to talk very, very briefly about some of their other club kits right now. Spellbinders every month sends me the card kit of the month. It's the quick and easy card kit, but they have lots and lots of other clubs, and I am obsessed. So first, I wanted to tell you to check out the 3D embossing folder club this month. It is this beautiful, deep embossed tile pattern that is really, really beautiful. It is $15 and the shipping is free. And anytime you subscribe to a club, you get 10% off all of your Spellbinders orders for the rest of the month. Also, check out the small die of the month club. This month it has this beautiful like floral background pattern that can fill the entire card, along with some butterflies and little floral pieces to add on there. And then I am also obsessed with the large die of the month. This month it is this beautiful flowering tree and it's a box die. Yeah, so like the tree is one thing, but then you can reuse the box die part of it for all kinds of other projects. That one is $27.50. All of those are US prices. Anyway, I wanted to give a quick shout out for those because I think there are some really, really amazing options. All right, let's walk through this. You will always get a sort of overview of the card kit. It tells you what is in the kit, and then on the back they will walk you through making a card just to get you started. I don't usually make these because I want to show you other options, but look how cute that card is, you guys. It's so pretty. I'm going to hang on to this. I might make that card. That might happen. As always, I have a roll of double-sided adhesive tape, and then there are some foam squares with adhesive on them in case you want to pop up any of your elements. There are 8 white side-folding A2 sized cards and envelopes to go with them, but there is so much in these kits. You could make a dozen, maybe 2 dozen cards if you've got extra card bases. So keep that in mind. Then I have 20 pieces of colored cardstock. There's usually 5 colors. So let's see. I can tell you already, I love this purple. Like it's like a beautiful lavender. This is a slightly muted pink, almost heading towards peachy. I love that. I think it goes well with that purple. A very vibrant yellow, a forest green, and a sky blue. Here we have some chipboard stickers. There's a whole bunch of gold foil accents on here. So this one, we've got a couple of bees and flowers, a bunch of sentiments. Busy little bee, lovely wishes. How sweet is this? Beautiful. I've got people I can definitely make cards for with those. We have a truck full of flowers and a few other pieces. Bunch of thanks, because I love you. Some of these are really, really great for card making, but you could also use these for journaling or scrapbooking or anything like that. I'm going to save these 2 pieces for last because those are always some of my favorites. Here we've got some puffy stickers. So we have just be you or just be lovely or lovely day. Remember, hey, together, kind, sweet, happy day, happy life. I think there's a life. Yep. These to me feel more like scrapbook sentiments, but I love these little hearts. I will absolutely use those all over my cards. I love that a lot. And then we have more puffy stickers. So it's like we have one that's sort of scrapbooky or journaly. And then these are very like card making sizes and things. Oh, hello there. Thankful for you. This means so much. Special to me. This makes me happy. You make me smile. And then I love using these little pieces kind of as like tags or pennants on my cards. Here's our pattern paper. This is all of my favorite like colorful dreams happening on one piece of paper, you guys. I love like deep blues and cool colors and rich purples. Okay. Spellbinders always does a really great job of giving us, oh, there's little like beehives on there. Some like tone on tone muted patterns that are really great to mix and match, right? With something like this that's more colorful. This one has some gold foil accents in the background. I don't know if you can see that. That's really pretty. Little floral pattern. A bunch of things. Beautiful, friendship, be happy. That's cute. Tiny, tiny little bees. Oh my gosh, you guys, oh, there's gold foil. Those little stars in the background are gold foil. I'm in love with this paper pack. I think this is my favorite card kit I have ever gotten. This one, like a little confetti action happening. Some more bees. I don't know what it is. I don't know why I think bumblebees are so cute. Anyway, I'm going to love this. I'm going to love making things with this. Oh, look at that. They're like little dotted like bee trail lines, but in the shapes of hearts. So we have a bunch of pieces of pattern paper. We have some beautiful sequins. These are a slightly purpley blue, and there's no hole in them. I always love that. So when I'm putting them down on my project, I don't have glue like coming through the middle, making a giant mess. You know I'm going to make a giant mess. Okay, and then this is the best part of these kits. This is what makes it the most incredible bargain, right? Because you get usually 2 of each piece, and there are so many pieces in here. I'm not going to go through them all because there are tons, okay? We've got lots of bees. I can tell hot air balloons, this little beehive, and then that tiny bee on top is separate. Oh, we've got sentiments in here. Delightful, happiness is here. Keep on being you. That is a foiled sentiment. Ooh, I hope they do more of that in the coming up kits. I got a foil machine for Christmas and I love it, but it's work, right? Like it takes extra time, and I'm not always like, I don't know. I don't always have the space on my desk to pull it out. There's some gold foil on those. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Gold foil on those rainbows. Some more bees. I've got a little cute fox, honey. Oh my goodness, you guys. I will try to see if I can find something from Spellbinders that kind of lays all of these out for you, and maybe not this huge mess. Look at this one. Kind heart, brave spirit, gentle soul with some gold foil. And then this middle piece you can pop out of the frame. Never stop being you. And you can check off all those boxes. This is incredible. This is a really phenomenal like card maker kit. Look at all of these sentiments. Okay. I could sit here and go through these in ooh and ah for an hour, but just maybe tune back in later and I will absolutely be making a bunch of cards with this kit. If you get this kit and you make a bunch of stuff, maybe tag me. I'd love to see what you come up with. I will leave links to this card kit and then all of the other Spellbinders clubs below. There are separate links for the US clubs and our UK store if you are not in the US. So thank you so much for joining me. I can't wait to get started, and I will see you next time.